Hey guys, thank you for joining me and welcome back. So today I'm going to create a couple of Christmas ornaments. So I've already removed the top and I'm just going to take a little bit of my clear gel tacky glue, mix it with a little bit of water just to thin it out a little bit. Once I do that, I'm going to mix it very well. Make sure it's nice and blended. Then I'm going to pour that inside the bulb and I'm just going to move it around the bulb to get the bulb completely coated with the glue and water mixture. Once I do that, I'm going to drain it out into the little cup. So I'm going to let that glue set for a couple of seconds. I'm going to create a funnel just out of some old paper that I had in the room, and I'm just going to hot glue it into place. And I'm going to pour the silver glitter down through the funnel into the bulb. I'm going to move that glitter all around the bulb. I'm going to shake it a couple of times just to make sure that the glitter is dispersed throughout the whole bulb and I'll get a nice even coating. Once I do that, I'm going to shake out the excess glitter back into the container. I'm going to put the top on it and then I'm going to let it dry for about a half hour. So while that's drying, I'm going to take this bling wrap. I picked this up from Amazon. And guys, please check the description section for all the items that I'm using today. I'm going to fold this in half and then I'm going to cut it into 2 pieces. So once I do that, I'm just going to cut it into a couple of smaller sections and then I'm going to start creating our Christmas ornament. These small crystals in the container are nail gems. This tool that I'm using is called a gem picker. It's used by nail technicians to apply rhinestones to your nails when you get your nails done at the nail shop. That's what I'm using to apply those crystals to the Christmas ornament. If you're interested in that, guys, I left that information in the description section. Alright guys, so once I add this satin ribbon, this is done. Look how beautiful that looks. So now I'm going to move into the next project. So I'm going to be using the stretchy lace as part of the decoration, and I'll be using my glue again. I'm using a flat round bulb from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to keep that string that's on it. I just want to remove the tag. I'm going to remove the top. I'm going to measure out just enough of this lace just to apply to the bulb. After that, I am going to use some tacky gel, apply it to the bulb, and then I'm going to adhere the lace to the ornament. All I'm doing here is just stretching it into place, and it just sticks really, really well. I'm just going to trim off any excess, and then I'm just going to keep applying the lace, stretching it over into place and trimming off that excess. Now that the lace is adhered, guys, I'm going to set this off to the side. I'm going to allow this to dry for about an hour and a half to 2 hours. So now that that's done, guys, this is what it looks like. It's nice and it's tight on there. It looks really nice. So now I'm going to start decorating. I'll be using that same bling wrap that I used earlier. I'm just going to cut that into 2-row sections. And then I'm going to start decorating the ornament. So now I'm going to use these pearl buttons that I picked up from Amazon. 2 different sizes. I'm going to use the larger one at the top. I'm going to use 2 smaller ones right under that. I'm going to do that to both sides of the ornament. I'm going to take a little bit of that bling wrap and just wrap it around the top. I'm going to put the top on, and that's it. I really love the way this came out. I love that blue lace, guys. This ornament is really, really beautiful. So guys, let me know what you think in the comment section, and I want to thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate it. Guys, you stay well, stay safe, and stay blessed, and I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.